So this is my second one that I've just put together, the IKEA PAX system. I already put one together. It's upstairs in the closet, which is the corner piece. And I still have 3 more boxes down here. I know that they did not send 2 other boxes that I ordered. It is not in stock. I have to wait. And I'm about to put this one together and I will record that because the first 2 I didn't record it. So this is the back piece, like the cover piece that go in the back. This I haven't put this piece on top yet because I'm waiting for my husband to get back to help me. I cannot lift it by myself. I have nails, so this is it. This is the tools here. This right here is the one I go on top. So this is just the cover. When you put this, when you attach this bracket, so that's a piece right there. So each for one piece. It's exactly the same as this one over here, so I'm just going to follow the same steps. You want to flip this top over. This rough side is the side you always want to put the bracket on. So you make it like this. You grab your tool bag. Bring the camera over there. They have a minimum, but because I already put the 2 together, so I kind of have an idea of what I'm doing. But I will just show you guys for reference. So this is it. I'm going to flip all the way back. If you see right there, it shows, it doesn't have a number, like the 2 don't have a number to tell you this is number 1, it matched the number 1 piece. No, it don't have any of that. You got to figure out this out by yourself. The only thing they have is pictures, so you just have to match the pictures to the tools. That's it. IKEA PAX is not for the weak. The 2 small screw for this part. Like I said, make sure that this is on a rough end. And this tool, you want to make sure you put in your screw at the very end, like so. Or you can just look at it right there. So you grab 3 of these, 2 right here, like so. And you try to screw in 1 right there, 1 in the middle, and 1 over there. So like this. The same thing for the bottom part, but this screwing will be a little bit different because the whole down here is different. So you will come in the middle, you skip 1, 2, and it's here when you will start to put your screw in. I always start in the middle. Right here again, make sure the bracket is on the rough end you do like so. Loose. Put one right there. At the very end, like so. Put in pieces. You'll take this piece right here. It comes with a pre-drilled hole. And remember, the rough side has to match that part. And you will go like this. And then the right side have the hour, so you just grab this screw. This is for the drawer. This is how much space.